Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making guacamole. I'm going to be using a molcajete, which in Spanish is the same thing in English. It's the round gray rock in the middle that you see. It's good for salsas and for things like this, like guacamole. I'm going to start off with 4 small avocados. And then I'm just going to smash them a little bit just so it's easier to mix everything once we have everything in the molcajete. Next, I'm going to add 2 chopped tomatoes. Then I'm gonna add a little bit over 1/2 of a cup of onions chopped. Next, I'm gonna add half a jalapeño finely chopped, and then 1 serrano also finely cut. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro. And then I like to use 1 whole lemon for this quantity. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. Adding some pepper. And then lastly, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a tablespoon of minced garlic. And then this is the part where you just mix everything together, and that's it. You have guacamole.